Hi guys, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox not one, but two beauty boxes from OK Beauty. I ordered the new OK Beauty box by Snowdon. At checkout I've been asked if I want to buy a mystery box, and I couldn't say no. Okay beautiful people, I will start with OK Beauty box by Snowdon. What we know about this beauty box is that it's retailed for £35 and worth over £200. That being said, let's open the box. We are welcomed by a nice message. Beauty begins inside in your OK Beauty box. Great! Now let's see the products. First product is from the brand Balance Me Vitamin C Repair Serum. This gel serum reduces pigmentation and uneven skin tone while boosting elasticity, refining lines and texture. Benefits: brightens, hydrates, boosts elasticity and tone, targets pigmentation and fades dark spots without lightening your natural skin tone. I am using vitamin C in my skincare routine. Very pleased with this product. Product number 2 is from Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. A restorative retinol serum for under eyes and lids, helps improve the look of lines, wrinkles and loss of firmness. Benefits: fast-acting retinoid, helps fight lines and deep wrinkles, deliver 24 hours of hydration to minimize dryness. Murad is a great brand. I tried a couple of skincare products from this brand and was very good. Great product. Product number 3 is a makeup product from the brand Seattle London. Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow in the shade Cupid. Is a metallic iridescent glitter that can be used as a topper over eyeshadow or simply use on its own. Benefits: highly pigmented for an intense color payoff, sheer to full coverage finish, vegan and cruelty free. The shade is lovely, but to be honest is not exactly my shade. Next we got a beautiful dark red velvet pouch with a nice message on it. Self-care isn't selfish, and I am agree with that. I don't know how to show it to you. I hope you see it well. It's very nice. Product number 4, it's a hair care set from Living Proof. The Living Proof Restore Shampoo and the Living Proof Restore Conditioner. From the brand Living Proof I tried a hair mask and was great. I remember it smelled really nice. Let's see the benefits. For shampoo we have: removes dirt, sweat, oil, pollution and product build up, effectively cleanses without stripping or over drying. And for the conditioner we have: leaves hair softer, smoother and with healthier movements. Product number 5 is from the brand Pry. I hope I spell it right. Ageless Throat and Décolleté Cream. Let's find out the benefits of this neck cream. Reduces sign of aging on the neck and chest, restores elasticity and boosts collagen, helps plump and fill in wrinkles, and locks in moisture for long-lasting hydration. Product number 6 is well known. Is from the brand Emma Hardy. The Moringa Cleansing Balm. I know that many of you know this product and many of you love this product. Is a very good cleansing balm. Benefits: deeply cleanses, minimizes the appearance of open pores, moisturizes and conditions all skin types. And the last product from the beauty box, product number 7, is a set from Ameliorate 3 steps to smooth skin. Inside we have 50 ml of a smoothing body exfoliant, intensive hydrating retexturizer. Second we got 60 ml of nourishing body wash, replenishing shower cleanser. And the last we have 50 ml of a transforming body lotion, intensive smoothing hydrator. Okay guys, we are done with the OK Beauty box by Lisa. Now it's time to open the mystery beauty box. I don't know anything about this beauty box, except of the price paid, of course. I paid for it £15 and unfortunately I don't remember the total value of the box. Shame on me. Let's see what we have inside. First we got a product from the brand Fix and Rouge. Hydra Matte Pore Correct Blush Pink Limited Edition Velvet Cream is an innovative pore perfecting formulation with a replenishing and hydrating matte finish. Brightening complex with vitamins A, C and E helps restore natural radiance. Blend onto T-zone and over enlarged pore before applying makeup, or wear over moisturizer for a nude matte look. Second, we find a hair care set from Mani, Moisture Hair Care, Revive and Hydrate. And here we have the shampoo, Revive and Hydrate Shea Butter Shampoo for dry, damaged hair. And second, we have a conditioner from the same Revive and Hydrate range. Happy to try something new. I don't know this brand, I hope it's good. Next, we have a product from Symbiosis London, and this brand is new for me. PR+P Enlightening and Exfoliating Cleansing Gel, a mild non-drying gel that aims to eliminate excess oil and makeup, leaving skin lighter and brighter. And the last product is from the brand Kores, and this brand is new for me. Guava Renewing Body Cleanser, Renew Plus Hydrate, is a shower gel with a tropical scent. Okay guys, here are all the products. On the right we have a products from the OK Beauty box by Lisa, and on the left we have a products from the Mystery Beauty box. To be honest, I like what I see. I like that I found products from brands that I don't know. This way I will discover something new. What do you think? Which beauty box you liked more? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below this video. And this was today's video. I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!